Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving pattern 13. So the problem statement states that given an integer n, you need to recreate the pattern given below for any value of n. Let's say for n is equal to 5, the pattern should look like as below. So in the first line you should have only one number that was starting with 1. The second line should have two numbers. The third line should have three numbers. Fourth line should have four numbers and fifth line should have five numbers. So should start with 1 and go in an increasing order. Okay, let's solve this. So first we'll decide I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So this for loop will decide how many number of lines we'll be printing. And we'll go ahead with the what to print in the each line. So int j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, because first line should have only one, second line should have two. So as I increases, j should also print only that many numbers. So now comes what to print. So we'll be printing numbers. If n is equal to 5, we have to reach till 15. So we'll do one thing. We'll create a new variable called num, start it with 1, and we'll print that. System dot print num, and there is a space between each num. So I would put a space. And after every printing of number, the number should increase by 1. So num equals num plus 1, or I could just do this and it would be similar to num is equal to num plus 1. Then after each for loop, the inside for loop, I would have to print the new line. So I would remove this and print a new line, and we are done. Let's just check it out. Let me run this. So yes, friends. So as expected, both the cases got accepted. Let me submit this code. So all the 22 cases have passed. Thank you, friends.